I recently received a sample from the brand, and here's my honest take. This set of three bamboo dish brushes is a great way to upgrade your kitchen routine while cutting out plastic for good. Unlike traditional scrubbers that shed microplastics, AirNex gives you a cleaner, eco-friendly alternative you can actually feel good about using. The set includes two brushes with medium stiff sisal bristles, perfect for everyday cleaning, and one tougher brush made with a strong mix of sisal and coconut bristles, ideal for scrubbing stubborn messes. They're tough, reusable, and non-scratch, so they're safe on cookware but still super effective. The ergonomic bamboo handles make them comfortable to hold even during longer wash-ups, and once you're done, you can simply hang them to dry, which helps prevent odor and keeps things hygienic without added chemicals. If you're looking to make small, sustainable swaps that last, these AirNex brushes are a solid step toward a greener, low-waste kitchen.